Hey you guys, what's up? And today I am back with a new hair product review that I'm so excited to try. The new hair care line by Taraji P. Henson called TPH. And I didn't see anybody talking about these products until I saw her post something about them on her Instagram page. So I was like, let me try this. And when I went, they're sold exclusively at Target. So go to your local Target if you want to see all the products she has and try them. But I was taken back by all of the products that she has. You mean to tell me you dropped 18 products on your first hair care line? 18 products. I was like, girl, I am not buying. I was not expecting that many products, but she has her whole entire line broken down into sections. A scalp care line, a cleansing line, you know, like with the shampoos and stuff, a hair repair line with different repair products, and then she has the styling line with just styling products and gel and edge control. Like I said, I'm not buying all that at once. Maybe we'll do it broken down in sections. So today we're gonna focus on my scalp, because my scalp is in need of a good cleansing. I just took out box braids that I had in my hair for about 3 weeks, and my scalp is so sensitive with the braiding hair. Like, it is just so itchy, it be feeling so tender. It just needs some TLC. And it is winter time, and you know, I just like to keep my scalp clean because I wear a lot of wigs and stuff during the winter time, so this is necessary. So since we're going to be focusing on the scalp, I got the scalp products, and there's 4 products a part of the scalp line, and I only got 3. I didn't get all 4. The only thing that I didn't get was the serum. I just figured that I didn't really need it. I believe I spent like $48 just on these 3 products. Yeah, that's why I was like, First, I have the Master Cleanse, and the Master Cleanse is a targeted scalp wash, which is infused with witch hazel water, eucalyptus oil, and tea tree oil. And that sounds like it's going to be so refreshing on my scalp. They also have a mint condition, a tingling scalp conditioner, which sounds amazing because I love stuff that makes my scalp feel like it's tingling and just like it's soothing to me. I just love that feeling. And it's infused with aloe, shea butter, eucalyptus oil, and peppermint. And then we have the Never Salty, which is a sugar-based scrub, hair scrub. Well, I'm super excited to try this because I never tried a scrub on my hair before, so I'm curious to see what this is about. And this is infused with sugar crystals, apple cider vinegar, coconut, and peppermint oil. And these products are vegan free, cruelty free, and mineral oil free, paraben free. She said that she uses the Never Salty scrub first, so that's what we're gonna do, and then go in with the Master Cleanse and then the conditioner. We're gonna see what my hair is looking like. Just took out these braids. It is just a mess. We're in the process of growing this hair out, and it is a process. So this is what we're working with now. So I'm going to go wash my hair. We'll put some water on it, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna try out this scrub. Okay, so hair is wet. To go in with this Never Salty scrub. How do you open this thing? I can smell the peppermint before I even put it to my nose. It smells good. Am I supposed to be feeling something? Because I don't feel nothing. Like, what is this doing? Like, is this really doing something, or am I just about to be wasting my time putting sugar in my hair? I'm literally putting sugar in my hair. Never in my life heard of such. Well, we're just gonna keep sectioning and see what happens. Definitely feel a little tingle, you know, a little like someone's blowing on my head, and I definitely could feel the scrub changing into a balm. I mean, it's kind of sticky. I mean, it's sugar. I mean, my scalp feels pretty good. I put it on the areas that are really itchy as well, so it's like mainly like the middle of my head right here. It feels good. I mean, I don't know if I like necessarily need this product in my scalp wash day. I don't know, it feels good, but it's just like weird because you're putting sugar in your hair and it just feels really funny. To me, it doesn't feel like it's just gonna be an easy rinse out. My fingers are sticky. So I'm gonna go and rinse this out before it gets tough and like dries in my hair, because nobody wants that to have sugar up in your head. I definitely can feel the peppermint oil. Now we're gonna rinse this out. We're rinsed out. And kind of changed my mind. Love an easy rinse, and like as you let the water hit your scalp, then it starts working. My scalp feels even more tingly, like someone's blowing on my scalp. Now I use Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, and I love that feeling. Okay, the peppermint feels like someone's blowing on my shoulder. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the master cleanse. Does it smell like anything? It does. It smells like something familiar. This smells good. It smells really good. I like the packaging for the scalp care. I'm nervous because my scalp is already tingling, so I just can imagine what this is about to feel like. Right, let's go with the water. Master cleanse. Ooh. Gotta give it a second. Work. Doesn't fuzz, it's just good cleanse. Don't really know if I'm feeling anything. I feel like the tingling that I'm getting is from the scrub. I don't know how to review this cleanse because it's really just water. Yeah, I don't know how to review this cleanse because it's like really just water. Like I'm not feeling much. My scalp does look, it looks pretty clean. Definitely cleaner than it was when we first started this video. Like I had buildup and stuff in my hair. So now it's time for the conditioner. The Mint Condition, a tingling scalp conditioner. Products, they don't really show in your hair, but you can feel the difference. Like I can feel that my scalp is clean. I'm going to rinse this conditioner out. I'm about to try this on his head to see what he thinks. Can I? You don't feel it tingling?
You rub on my head when you go to sleep.
You don't feel it tingling yet? Cleanse.
It's cold.
Water.
It's water.
Cleansing water.
So you spent $30 on water?
I think this might be my least favorite thing that I spent the money on. Not just water. There's stuff in it. Last thing, the Mint Condition. I don't know why he doesn't feel anything. He just says his head feels clean. But I guess that's good.
What?
You don't feel anything?
Yeah, my head's cold.
Yeah, like someone's going, right? I feel it. I felt it. My head was in here tingling for a long time. Now maybe when I rinse it out this time, you'll really feel it because I use it all. Okay, I'm gonna rinse this, and if you don't feel nothing, I just know he is being a troll.
Or she's just dramatic.
No, it says tingling scalp peppermint oil. Your head should be tingling right now. But you say he didn't say he don't know what tingling feels like. Who doesn't know what a tingling feels like?
What a tingling?
Get it?
What is a tingling?
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Hot and tingling is a dip.
What do you think of TPH scalp line?
My head is hot.
The tingling.
That's what tingling is, sure, but my head is hot.
Like someone's blowing.
No, blowing will make your head cool. My
you know guys are a little bit different. Does it not feel good?
Yeah, my head's cool. It come on with some beat.
What's that for your beard? Well, not that. Something like Well, y'all heard it from a man's perspective. All right, so we are all washed out, and let me tell you, my scalp is still tingling. It feels really, really good. I would use this like once a month maybe on my scalp, you know, when I really, really need a good scalp cleaning. If you don't like things that feel tingly, then this is not for you, but you can definitely feel that peppermint, tea tree, and that eucalyptus oil just all in your scalp. I didn't think I would like this stuff. I don't know why, but I really do like this. I don't know if I'm gonna like the other products. I'm not mad that I bought this because I've been looking for something to help me with my dry, itchy scalp. This just feels so amazing. It feels like a luxury and a really expensive product, which they're not. I don't think you need all three, but you know, it's preferred. I feel like you just need one or two. For what it's made for, I feel like it's effective and it helps. I would recommend what I liked the most. I actually liked the scrub the most, even though it felt funny. When I felt that tingling, it's like when you rinse it out of your hair, even with the conditioner, when you rinse it, that's when you feel it working the most, when you put that water on your head. So if I just had the scrub, that's cool. Like, that's enough. Just the scrub is enough for me. I'm just curious to see how that serum would have worked. I didn't really read what the serum was for and what it did. I'm curious about that, but I'm probably not gonna buy it. Yeah, guys, that's it for this video. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below if you tried it or if you're going to try it. If you tried the other products, let me know how you feel about those, so maybe I can try those. But if you haven't tried this one, I would try it. And if you're not trying to break the bank, just at least try that Never Salty hair scrub, because I really enjoyed it. Even though at first I was like, I don't feel anything, you don't feel it, and it feels amazing. Taraji, I think that you did a awesome job on your scalp line. I don't know about the other things, I haven't really watched any reviews on the other things, but kudos to you. I really like this, so I'm going to be using this once a month in my scalp care routine. So follow me on Instagram and like me on Facebook at Johnny Marie, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.